Hello UPSC aspirants, welcome to EDENIAS. Now, in this video, let us try to know about how to choose an optional subject. See, whenever you want to choose an optional subject, try to look for some of the aspects like the subject shall have to have good scoring prospects. Apart from good scoring prospect, the subject needs to have high success rate in the past. And along with this, look for the availability of resources like the books, coaching facilities, and the mentor and the guide, etc. And along with this, the subject needs to have good compatibility with other subjects as well. That means greater the portion of optional subject overlapping with your GS portion, greater would be the advantage for you. So along with these factors, try to match your interest with the optional subject. Your interest matters much more than anything. Now, try to match this criteria with anthropology optional, and you will get the answer for the question that why anthropology is the most preferred choice of optionals by many UPSC aspirants. Thank you, love you.